Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another wig install from Shein. Today I will be showing you guys their 5x5 lace closure glueless body wave wig. This particular wig has the beautiful highlights. I have this wig in 26 inches and in 180% density, and yes, she is 100% human hair. So in the package along with the hair, you're going to get a user guide and some wig caps. Now here is the wig right here. Once again, this is a 5x5 lace closure. It is 100% glueless. This is a body wave texture and it has the beautiful highlights in it. Now this wig particularly does come pre-cut for you. However, I will say that those knots were just a little dark and the hairline needed to be plucked a little bit more. So that is something that I did off camera, by the way. But let's go ahead and get started. Now, since I did bleach the knots just a little bit more and also pluck the knots off camera, I did wash the wig, so that's why it looks like that. But I'm giving you guys some close-ups of the wig cap in general, and that is what the lace looks like after I went ahead and bleached and plucked just a little bit more. So the first thing that you want to do is add some makeup onto your lace. That way the lace matches your skin color a little bit more. This particular lace was a little more transparent, so I definitely made sure to add a little bit more foundation. Go ahead and adjust the adjustable strap and then throw the wig on. Now, me personally, I need to make sure that the lace is looking right, so I do like to get all of the hair away from the lace as much as possible. And you guys know that I do not use glue, so I did not use glue for this wig install, but I did go ahead and use a little bit of lace melting spray due to the fact that the wig was just a little too big on me, so the lace wasn't laying as flat as I would have liked it to. So here I'm just using a little bit of lace melting spray, and as you guys can see, I'm just dabbing it right at the edges of the lace because that's really all where I needed it to be. The wig cap in general was a little big on me, but it wasn't too bad. I just really wanted the lace to lay as flat as possible because that's the only way we're going to get a nice flawless melt. Once the wig is secure, go ahead and put the rest of the hair up. That way you can go ahead and use your elastic band without it getting caught on the hair or anything like that. I normally let the elastic band melt from anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes whenever I'm wearing a lace closure wig. Okay, I went ahead and took off the elastic band. Now, as you guys can see, she's still showing up a little white, and that is because this is a transparent lace. Transparent lace tends to show up a little white on my skin tone and darker, so we're gonna go ahead and dab a little bit more foundation on her to help her blend a little bit better. Now that the wig install technically is finished, it's time to move on to the styling portion, and I'm over here deciding if I wanted a side part or a middle part, but in the end I decided to go in with a side part. So I kind of did like a nice C carve out instead of just a straight, regular side part, just to kind of add a little bit more like glam to it, I guess. And then I went ahead and secured it with my wax stick and my hot comb. Now you guys know what comes next is one of my favorite things to do whenever I am doing my wig installs. I need to make sure that the top of my wigs are laying extremely flat, and I also like to mold my wigs to lay in a certain way. That way it's covering up any additional lace that I do not want to show, especially because I am not a baby hair girly. So I just go section by section with my wax stick and my hot comb. As you guys can see, she is looking gorgeous and she's looking extremely natural, so I did go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. So now I'm just adding a lighter foundation in the parting area. Your scalp is a lot lighter than your natural skin tone, so I went in with a lighter foundation this time on the lace. Okay, and just like that, the lace is melted. She's looking a whole lot more natural. I was definitely satisfied with it, and I think that she looks pretty good even though this is a transparent lace. We were able to hide her extremely well. So now it's time to style the rest of the hair. I'm gonna go ahead and put those curls right back in there because this is a body wave wig. So I did one side off camera, and I'm gonna show you guys how I did the other side. And you guys know me, I just go in with some hairspray, my wax stick to get rid of the flyaways, and I use my nice curling wand to go ahead and give me some nice effortless, beautiful body wave type curls. So let's go ahead and talk about the hair for a little bit. This wig in particularly from Shein, same inches, same density that I currently have, which is 26 inches and 180% density. This wig is around like 186, I believe, on their site. So for the price, I definitely think that this wig is great. I do feel like you're getting great quality hair. If you hate transparent lace, that might bug you a little bit, but definitely take the steps that I took in this video to hide it just a little bit more. Now, the only thing that I will mention is that because this is a highlighted wig, those lighter pieces, those blonder pieces, I do feel like they were a little bit more stringy than the rest of the hair. Not too crazy, but just keep that in mind. So when you're putting heat on the hair, I definitely do recommend that you're using some type of product, whether it's some type of light silk oil, or you can use the wax stick like me, but just be cautious as to how much product you use, etc., because you don't want to weigh down the wig altogether. Other than that, I really don't have any complaints, and I was able to get over the transparent lace, which was probably one of my biggest concerns. So yeah, everything worked out great in my personal opinion. Now, as you guys can see, the hair took to the curling wand extremely well. I did have her set on 430 degrees, so that is your confirmation right there that this is human hair, because otherwise she definitely would have burned, she would have smelled. I didn't have any issues regarding that when it comes to this particular wig. So she took to the heat extremely well. Once the curls calmed down, I went ahead and ran my fingers through it, and that was honestly it. Alright, we are 100% done with the wig install and styling. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this wig unit. Overall, I think she turned out extremely nice. And again, for the price point, I don't think that this is bad at all. I think she's definitely worth the price. $186 for a 26-inch highlight wig. Yeah, she's definitely worth it. And by the way, there is a full 13x4 lace frontal option as well if you're interested. But make sure you guys go ahead and check out my description box down below. A coupon code will be listed there for you guys to use. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time.